All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's about that time. It's time to give you my iPhone 12 mini unboxing. I've been super excited about getting this right here. I was able to get in when it first went for pre-order. This is the unlocked model directly from Apple. It is a 128 gig model. Oh, if I could see that anywhere, let me see. Yeah, here we go. 128 gig model right there. And obviously I have the green. I really wanted the green because I wanted the green for the 12, but I ended up getting the silver for the 12, and we'll compare those sizes. I have some phones off camera here to show you basically size comparisons because everybody's so wowed about how small this phone is, but I don't think it's going to be that uncomfortable and that small. And we will be reviewing this box later in another video. If you haven't seen another video, please check it out. It's hilarious. So 2,227 milliamp hour battery inside of this thing, 4 gigs of RAM, the A14 Bionic chip. Obviously the same camera setup as the iPhone 12. This is just a smaller version, that's it. 5.4 inch 1080p display, 1080 by 2340. So today is the day that it's officially available, October 13th. And UPS guy dropped it off today. So a moment of silence as we unbox and unveil the world's smallest, most powerful device according to Apple. You guys ready? Ta-da! And just like I thought, this isn't that small, but what I will tell you is that, oh my goodness, I'm so glad I got the green. Yes, yes, yes. So we lift this out here, and this is going to be perfect. I have a ton of cases ready to go. You know what's in the box. There's nothing but a cable and a Type-C lightning port. So we'll put this off to the side here. And we'll just look at this green. I've got some tempered glass and everything ready to go, cases. But this is, we're going to power it up too. I'll get signed in, do a transfer and everything of the device. But this is it, man. This is nowhere near as small as I thought it was going to be. Everybody, oh my God, it's so small. You're not going to be able to use it. Okay, so here is, it just, when you put it next to other phones, it's tiny. But this is the iPhone 12, believe it or not. I can only imagine what this is like next to the iPhone Pro Max. But the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro are the same size, pretty much the same devices. And this is what this device looks like. This is how small it is. I love a compact device when I can get one. And I like a compact device with great cameras and good software. And so this is what everybody's so excited about with the iPhone 12 mini. I'm excited about it. Now, that's the iPhone 12. How is it next to the Pixel 5? So this is what it looks like next to the Pixel 5. Completely different colors in green. If you got the green on the iPhone 12 mini, you're a boss. Or just the green on the iPhone 12, you're a boss. It's official right now. It's official. But this is what it looks like next to the Pixel 5. And then the Pixel 4a should be a little bit about the same. There we go, Pixel 4a. So a lot of you guys were probably worried about or concerned about the size of the device. I can tell you, obviously I have massive hands. And so this is going to be comfortable for me. Why? Because I want one-handed use. That's where I'm at right now with smartphones. When I'm on the go, I've said it a bunch of times, when I'm on the go, I want one-handed use. And this device is going to be great for one-handed use. So again, I got the green color here over video, and shout out to the Z Fold 2 crew. This video is for you, 5x4. But the green in person definitely looks different than what it's coming across on video. It just looks really, really solid. And maybe that's how it is for that blue also. I just couldn't do the blue. Sorry, blue crew, couldn't mess with you. The green and the silver and the black are the colors for me. This green is so nice. So again, if you decide to just shuffle through the video, this is the 128 gig iPhone 12 mini in the green, and this is the unlocked model. So I will be shuffling over here to this device for some usage going forward and see how much I like it. I really wish Sony and what other companies that make great small phones, I wish they would get back into it because this device is just, it's great. A small phone is where it's at. Just look at it next to the 12 again. This is the 12, not the 12 Pro Max. And the iPhone 8 is up in the other room, so I was going to compare that one, but it's pretty much smaller than the iPhone 8 too overall. I love the flat sides. I just love everything about this design. I think it's a win. So I'm gonna get this all set up, and then maybe I'll show you some software. I don't think so though. This is just an unboxing. You've seen the software. Let me show you the software. Here you go. Here's the software. That's that's the software. There you go. There's your software. All right, that's what it's gonna look like on here. Everything over here is gonna be transferred over here. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and unveil of my iPhone 12 mini. Look for a follow-up on the box. We will dig into this. There's so much going on here. We will dig into that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation of the iPhone 12 mini in the boss color, green. Take care.